Good morning students, welcome to 11th Business Studies. We are going with the second chapter, that is forms of business organization, and the fourth form is going on, that is cooperative society. We have to study today what are the different types of cooperative society. The first one we can see here, that is consumers cooperative society. When we talk about consumers cooperative society, now it has been formed because they want consumer come together and form a cooperative society to protect the interest of the consumers. What is their interest? They want to eliminate the middleman in the channel of distribution. You already know what is channel of distribution. From producer to the wholesaler, and from wholesaler to the retailer, and from retailer to the consumer. So this is the channel of distribution, and there are the middleman. Even the agent may join this channel of distribution. So if this middleman are removed and there is a direct link from the producer to the consumer or from the wholesaler to the consumer will get the products at a reasonable price. So this is what they wanted to do. So they come together, they purchase the product on a large quantity or in a bulk quantity from the producer or either from the wholesaler, and they distribute among themselves. That means they sell to their own members who are the member of the society. So they are benefited with a reasonable price for the particular product. Next we will see the type of cooperative societies, producers cooperative society. The name itself will tell you here, the producer come together and form a cooperative society, but the small producers come together who cannot easily collect the various items which are required for the production, and even they face some problem in the marketing of their product which are ready. So the society, what they do, they make a cooperative society, producers cooperative society, and purchases raw material, tools, equipments, whatever are required for a production. They purchase this in a large quantity, and then they provide it to their member who are the producer, small producer. So they are benefited for with a reasonable price. You already know what are the things required for the production: men, money, machine, material, method. So it's not easy to get all of these things. So producer, instead of closing their production, they take the help of this cooperative society and get benefit of reasonable price. The third one is marketing cooperative society. Here these societies are established to help the producers in selling their product. Earlier in production, but now in selling their products, the member of this society helps the producer who wish to obtain at a reasonable price and produce their output, and also for the marketing. So marketing can be of a transporting, warehousing, packaging, grading, research, etc. So they get benefit of this thing because this marketing cooperative society helps them. So the production of different members are being pulled together and sold in a society at a good price. So even the producer get a good price of their production. Next comes is farmers cooperative society. The name itself again will tell you here there are more than 10 farmers coming together and forming a cooperative society. Why they come together? Because the cultivation of their land can be done collectively. Such society provide better quality seeds and fertilizer, pesticides, machines, or the modern techniques which they can use for the cultivation of the crop. So it also provide them an opportunity to increase their cultivation on a larger scale. So this is the reason they come together and help one another. Next comes is credit cooperative society. Such societies protect the member from exploitation of money lender. So if any person who needs money and they charge higher rate of interest, so here credit cooperative society is there from where you can get loan at a reasonable rate of interest or low rate of interest. So this society will help you when you need money. Next comes is cooperative housing society. You have already seen when you pass on in any of the residential area, you will find out cooperative housing society, for example Chaitanya cooperative housing society or many other. What is their main aim? Their main aim is to provide houses to the people with limited means or income at a reasonable price. So this is how you can also purchase your own house by joining any of the cooperative society. The next we will see what are the limitations of the cooperative society. The number one is shortage of capital. It suffers from the shortage of capital as it is usually formed by the people with a limited means. Why cooperative societies formed? They all come together to protect their economic interest. So the member who are of a cooperative society, they already have a limited means. So there may be a shortage of the capital. So this is the disadvantage, because there is no one with a more capital or with a huge wealth in the cooperative society. Inefficient management. Cooperative society is managed by the elected members. So election is done, and according to that, the person who is elected may have experience or may not have experience. However, it cannot be affordable that the particular employee is expert in all the fields. Okay, so inefficient management may be find out. Lack of motivation. Members are not inclined to put their best efforts, because there is no direct link between the effort and reward. The person who is elected will take all the decisions, so whatever the reward will be divided among them. So that relationship between effort and reward is missing here in cooperative society. And lack of secrecy, because there is an open discussion, all the members sit together and make a decision, or make a discussion about it, and takes a decision whatever is there. So it's difficult to maintain a secrecy as compared to sole proprietor, which has a maximum secrecy. Next comes effective government control. Obviously, government has given you a lot of, you means cooperative society, lot of exemptions from tax, and even they have helped you financially. Financial assistance are being provided, different programs are there for cooperative society. So definitely they will have a control on the cooperative society. So you have to give you means cooperative society have to do an auditing and have to report their account statement to the government. So this is also a disadvantage. Next comes conflict among members. Yes, there may be a conflict among the members. There are chances that the conflict may be there in the particular section or in the among the members of the society, because their point of view may be different. So different person has a different point of view, and they become a rigid that this should be the decision which should be taken. So in that case, the cooperative society faces a lot of conflicts, because all the members have a different point of view. So these are the limitations of cooperative society, and we have studied the types of cooperative society. Keep on connected to us, keep on learning, and be safe. Thank you so much.